various interesting things happened. When we gave the basic assembly and we just told them, you have to assemble it, everybody got the same training. But some of these centers actually thought for themselves and they told, no, individually let us not make a lamp, let us just form an assembly line. So let us put 2 people doing only first step, another 2 in the second step, another 2 in the third step, and so on. So actually they created their own assembly line, and then we took that best practices and shared it with the others. So the innovation doesn't stop just because we didn't tell them. They are free to think, and we gave them a sounding board to raise their ideas. So we could get a lot of such interesting things coming out. Distribution was even more interesting because dialect changes every 50 kilometers. So we had projects in the border between Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. There we teach in Hindi, but finally the school kids learnt about the lamp and how to use the lamp in a language which is a mix of Gujarati as well as Rajasthani and some bit of Hindi also. So it is extremely interesting how the same thing was actually conveyed last mile, which is not possible even if we had trained in really good people here and sent them there, the message would not have reached. Only because we included the local community, we were able to ensure that this happened. That happened just automatically because they just used to that language, they knew how to reach and they reached it.